We on? We're on. This is meteorologist Hashim. You know me. And this is the weather report with all the snow. Alright? Look at that. Oh, Hashim, let me borrow your car real quick so I can go to the store. Forget about it. Oh, alright, Shane. Well, let me go on to my car so I can go to the store. Forget about it. Oh, alright, Shane. Well, John right there up the street, right on over there. Well, let me go on and walk to the store and get some milk, man. I want some cereal, you know what I'm saying, so I can watch my TV. Forget about it. Anyway, I'm out here walking in the snow. That's the car right there. I already wiped it off. The car is right. Well, the second one from the right. There you go. Anyway, walking to work, and it's quite deep now. This is how deep it is. I'm gonna put my imprint in the sand. I'm in the sand. That's how deep it is. I'm calling the sand. Look at my footprint. Look at that. Just to give you a reference, I'll put the "Come on, son" sign in there, and that still ain't deep enough. I'm actually put the "Come on, son" sign official in there. It's deeper than the dang "Come on, son" sign. So, come on, son. Anyway, I'm gonna mess with y'all while I'm going to work. Yep. Like I said, I'm going to work over to Noah. Because I know I'm trying to make this money. Going in about an hour early. Because some people can't make it. But it's all good. And still like a blizzard. But yeah. Be back momentarily. Alright, we back. Yeah, it's still snowing. Almost to work. Woo, man, slippery. Trying to get under some shelter out of this mug. Alright, grocery store behind me. Maybe I'll pick you up something on the way back. Fire department. I don't know why in the world they out here. Ain't no fire going out around this mug. I don't care if it's open 25 hours. You ain't driving there right now. I think maybe around like 10 inches or so. There's like a mound of about 6 feet of snow right there when they piled it up with the snow plows this morning. Still walking towards the job. Noah 2. Check the computer models and see what's accumulated when I get to work. Apologize for the quality. But we got some dedicated ones on video right here. Yep. You know I love y'all because my hands are cold. And somebody just about got stuck. Right there. Stay your behind home. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Remember when I said, Sheen, man, I'm going to go to the store real quick. They from Tennessee. You know what that is. They from Tennessee. They ain't used to this. So, I'm at the Noah building. And There's Rich. How much snow fell, Rich?
Over a foot, and I'm going to try to drive in it. And
Over a foot.
that guy's bailing me out.
I'm bailing them out because I'm a nice guy. Alright? Alright, Rich.
Right
See you
on.
later,
Merry
man.
Christmas, man.
Merry
I'm off
Christmas.
next week.
Alright, man. Yeah, take it easy. Be safe. Alright, one of my fellow NOAA employees. There we go. The emblem. If I can get in this mug. And this is about where it ends. The end of the line. Security guards. They ain't gonna like that I'm on video, so I'm out of here. Peace.